the national anthem.
Let me congratulate you first for making it into the Rivers State Government Executive Council. I know a lot of people are wondering, why are we still in the process of bringing in commissioners? But our case is different. We want to be sure at this point who we're adding into the council, so that we will not wake up one morning and see resignation letter. After a normal political period, there used to be what we call balancing. So I can also say that the new commissioners that are coming in from their zones to also balance the political equations. Coming into the Executive Council is not because we're using it to balance, and the only balance you're coming to give to us here is for your LGA. We want you to balance the state, work for the state, realizing that your responsibility at this point is to the state and not your local government anymore. But we're happy to have you, and we believe that you're going to contribute to the success of this administration. I said it yesterday night. What should be the most important thing about Rivers State today should be to support the progress of this country. We're in a situation where the funds that is being generated from oil production is not sufficient to carry out the problems, to tackle the challenges of Nigeria. And every hands are on deck to make sure that there is increase in production. Our focus here, not minding the distraction, will not be different. You all have to work with us to make sure that we curb this issue of oil theft and pipeline vandalization. This is the only way the allocation will increase, and more will also come to our state, and more progress will also be achieved in this state. We're doing a lot for the good people of Rivers State, but because of this drama here, drama there, a lot of people don't even know what we're doing. We're also working towards a day before the end of this month to showcase to the world few of the things that we've achieved that touches the life of people in Rivers State. So I want to thank every one of you for your support, more especially before, during, and after the election. I appreciate your doggedness, your belief in our cause to salvage the state, to protect the integrity of this state. As your leader, the one steering the ship, I assure you I will not mislead any one of you. I still stand on the path of peace. We had cases of arson in some local government areas. When I was inaugurating the chairman here, I did mention that I had intelligence that there was plot to cause mayhem in some LGAs. I said it before it happened. I knew because they were unhappy, they would go extra miles to create disaffection in the mind and heart of the good people of Rivers State. But I appreciate your calmness. I've always maintained we are going to be the greatest loser. We need to go with peace. I won't encourage any one of you to follow them with violence, no. We're carrying a basket of egg in our head. Precious egg, not just anyhow egg. So we need to follow them with carefulness and, in fact, wisdom. So let me thank every one of you. Let me also use this to thank the good people of Rivers State for their support and to assure them that we'll continue to defend. I want to also let the state know that what has happened after the election, we are not going to allow it to go uninvestigated. It has happened before, and after some weeks, some of our supporters were declared wanted to turn the story around. But this time around, I strongly believe with the support and cooperation of the Nigerian police, the director of DSS, we will unravel those behind the arson and make sure that they account for the atrocity.
So help me God. Oath of office. Bobrisky